YouTube. I'm in the Grand Marquis at work in the parking lot. Right before I was leaving the house, Amazon dropped this off. So, it's time for unboxing while I'm at work. Speakers. Let's check these out. These are block punks. They're 6 by 8 inch. These are 360 watts. I need these because the speakers in this 18-year-old car is shot. For some reason, the Fords had a weird speaker size, a 6 by 8, but these were fit in the doors right there where the mesh is at and the back shelves. So let's just open this up and see what we got here. These are real nice quality. Has 2 tweeters, a mid-range in the middle, woofer, 360 watts per pair. This should be more than adequate for the car. Good size battery magnet on them. Let's see what else we got here. These are a set of wiring harnesses. Now with the aftermarket speakers, they usually have these regular just plug-in clips, but on the Fords they use the Ford harness on this end, so it won't plug right into the speaker. So you can either splice and put these ends on and hook them up, or you get one of these adapters, plug into the harness here, and then plug into the normal plug-ins on the speaker. Saves a lot of trouble, a lot of effort. I got a set of 4, 2 for the front, 2 for the back. So that came in today. Like I said, the speakers are shot, so I'm forced to buy them. Also, this got to go. I know it works fine. The CD works fine. The cassette player works fine. But no, this is not going to work. This is not 2003. It's 2021. So it's time to get this car upgraded to modern audio equipment. Maybe a touchscreen, DVD player, CD player thing. Don't know yet. Still looking. But that's it for today. Just a quick little unboxing. More stuff to come. Until then, I'll see you.